you go. Do the hiccups today? Say hi to Aunt Vicky. Oh, say hi, Aunt Vicky. I'm jumping. Holly, what do you say? Hi. Yeah, you say hi, Aunt Vicky. Does Charlie want to say hi to Aunt Vicky? Charlie, say hi, Aunt Vicky. Here, back up, Charlie, so she can see you. There's Charlie. Charlie's wherever Holly is. Where's Holly? Hi. I see you. Yes, I do. Good jump. We're wishing that they made these jumperoos for adults because it kind of looks like fun. There you go. Good girl. Good girl. Say okay, say bye-bye. Holly. Good girl.